Today we are going to fix Unreal Engine 5 lag issues. So right now I'm running it with default settings, and as you can see we are getting below 10 FPS. After rendering it goes up to around 30 but then drops back down again. So let's fix that. Here are my laptop specs, just so you get an idea of the setup I'm working with. First go to Edit, Project Settings, now search Lumen. Under Reflection method, set it to none. For Ray Lighting mode, choose Surface Cache. And for Software Ray Tracing, set it to Global Tracing. Now search for Shadow. Set Shadow Map method to Shadow Maps. Alright, now let's check the FPS again. We are getting around 40 FPS now, which is already a nice improvement. We can push this even further. Go to Settings, Engine Scalability Settings. It's probably set to Cinematic by default. Let's change that to low. Now if we play the game, we are getting around 100 FPS. There's one plugin that's not really useful if you are on a low-end system. Go to Plugins, search for Studio, uncheck Studio Telemetry. This plugin just collects anonymous users data for Epic Games. It's not something you need running if performance is a concern. Now let's restart Unreal Engine and see what we get. After restarting, we are hitting around 110 FPS, way better than before. On your system, it could go even higher depending on your specs. If you're still getting lag after all this, then yeah, you might need to upgrade your PC or consider a new one. If this video helped you fix your lag issues, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.